Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 3 greater cumulative blood pressure monitoring. Basically this is the third chapter of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your complete courses. So first of all, we will click on continue and we will download the material to solve or to do this assignment. So there will be two files. One will be the Word document that will have the instructions to solve this, and other will be the Excel workbook where we will solve the assignment. So we will first download the material, instruction file and the Excel workbook. So let me open the instruction file first. So I have downloaded and opened the instruction file. That is, title of the assignment is Exp25 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. At start of the instruction you can see the project description. So there is nothing to do in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So once you will go through this project description, this will be easy for you to do this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your complete courses, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So main part of the assignment is starting from steps to perform to complete this project, and total steps to perform in this assignment are 30. So we are supposed to solve 30 steps to get this assignment ready for the submission. So I will solve each and every single question, and you are just supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. So now let's start with step number 1. Step number 1 is saying start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. So I have already downloaded this one, and you can download this from your course dashboard. So let me open this file. So this is the file that we're going to use to do this assignment. Okay, so part 1 is just downloading the file. There is nothing to do in part 1. Let's move to part 2. Part 2 is saying weekly blood pressure readings have been entered for a sample patient. You want to create a clustered column chart to compare the reading for the month. After you create the chart, you will move it to a chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. So the thing to do is create a clustered column chart using the range A2 up to C7 on the April worksheet. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. So now in this part we are supposed to create a clustered column chart, and range is given, that is A2 up to C7. So we will select A2 up to C7. So we have selected the range A2 up to C7, and we will click on Insert tab, go to Charts and insert Clustered Column Chart. So this is Clustered Column Chart. Now we are supposed to cut the chart and paste it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. So select the chart, go to Home tab, click Cut. Now go to Chart, go to cell A1 and click Paste. So we have moved the chart from April to chart sheet, and that is all about step number 2. So we are done with second step. Now let's do step number 3. Step number 3 is saying The chart needs a descriptive, easy to read title. Change the chart title to blood pressure readings in April. So now we are supposed to give title to the chart, that is blood pressure reading in April. So select chart title, go to formula bar and type blood pressure readings in April. After typing, just click enter. So we have given a title to this chart, blood pressure readings in April, and that is, and now we are supposed to bold the title. So just go to home tab and click bold. So that is all about step number 3. So we are done with step number 3 as well. So now let's move to step number 4. You realize that chart might be easier to read as bar chart. Change the chart type to cluster bar chart. So this is cluster column chart, and we are supposed to change the chart type to clustered bar chart. So for this we will select this chart, go to chart design, and then click on this change chart type. So from here we will select cluster bar chart, this one. Select bar chart, and first option is cluster bar chart. Select this and click OK. So that is all about step number 4. So we are done with step number 4. Let's move to step number 5 now. You will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on display screen. Set 4-inch height. So now we are supposed to change the height of the chart to 4 inch. So again select the chart, go to format, and this is height and this is width. So we will change the height to 4 point. Enter 4 and press enter. Okay. And that is all about step number 5. So we are done with step number 5 as well. So now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 6. You want to remove the additional dates display on the category axis. So now you can see there are many dates given here. So we are supposed to remove the additional dates. It is saying select the dates on the axis and display format axis task pane. So click on this, right click and click format axis. So now we can see the format axis task pane. Now it is saying in the axis option category, select text axis type to remove the extra dates from the chart. So so we are supposed to select this option, that is saying text axis. So now you can see that we have removed the extra date from the category axis once we selected this text axis. So that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to remove the extra date from the category axis. So we selected text axis, this option, to remove the extra date. So that is all about step number 6. So we are done with step number 6 as well. So now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 7. So now let's do step number 7. You want to arrange the dates with oldest date at top. So now you can see that oldest date is at bottom, but we are supposed to rearrange this so that we can see the oldest date at top and the newest date at bottom. So it is saying display the dates in reverse order on the category axis so that 4-1-2027 is at top of the vertical axis. So now it is at bottom. So we are supposed to move this to the top. So for this we will select this date axis, click format axis. So axis task pane will open. Now you can see an option that is saying category in reverse order. So check this box. So now you can see that we got this at top of the category axis or vertical axis, and this one at bottom of the date axis. So that is all about, it is asking that we are supposed to show this at top of the date axis. So once you will check this box that is saying category in reverse order, you will get the answer like this one. Okay, so that is all about step number 7. Now let's do step number 8. Now it is saying next you will create a line chart. So now we are supposed to create a line chart depicting that the heart rate readings for the month. This chart will help the patient see trend over the time. So now we are supposed to insert a line chart in step number 8. Create a line chart using the range A3 up to A7 and D3 up to D7 on the April worksheet. So first thing, we will go back to April sheet and we will select this range, that is A7 up A3 up to A7. So select A3 up to A7 and second range is D3 up to D7. So to select the second range, press and hold the control button and select D3 up to D7. So we have selected two range, A3 up to A7, D3 up to D7. Now we will click on move the line chart. Okay, so now click on the insert tab, go to this option, and first one is the line chart, this one. So we got a line chart based on these two ranges that are highlighted. You can see that are highlighted in the data table. So this chart is based on these two ranges. So now we are supposed to move the line chart to start in cell I1 on the chart sheet. So for this we will select this option, we will select this chart, go to home tab, click cut. Now go to chart, go to cell I1 and click paste. So we have moved the line chart from April to chart sheet. And that is all about step number 8, where we were supposed to insert a line chart and we were supposed to move the line chart to the chart sheet. Now step number 9, you decide to adjust the size of the line chart. Set 3.5 height and 5 inch width. So now click line chart, go to format and height should be 3.5. So enter 3.5, press enter. So you can see that height has been changed. Now width is 5 inch. So it is already selected as 5 inch. So that is all about step number 9, where we were supposed to change the width and height of the chart. Okay, now let's do step number 10. Change the line chart title to heart rate in April. So select this one, go to formula bar and type heart rates in April. After typing this, just press enter. So we have given a title to the line chart, heart rates in April. And that is all about step number 10, where we were supposed to give title to the line chart. Now let's do step number 11. Select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra date from the line chart. So now you can see that there are many dates on x-axis. So we are supposed to remove the extra date. So we can remove the extra date as we have done in previous steps. Once we select the text axis option, extra date will be removed from this axis. So first we will select this axis, right click on that and click format axis. So now you can see three options in axis type: automatically select, text axis and date axis. So we are supposed to select text axis to remove the extra date. So select this text axis. So now you can see that extra dates have been removed from this date axis. by selecting this option. So that is all about this step. So now we will close this format access task pane. So that is all about step number 11. So we have solved 11 steps of this assignment so far, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 12. Step number 12 is saying you will change the font color for the axis to make the chart easier to read. So now we are supposed to change the font color for the axis. So first one, it is saying apply black text font color to the value axis and category axis on the line chart. So select this one, go to color and select black text one. Again select this one, go to color and apply black text one. So we have changed the color for the value axis and category axis to black text one as required in step number 12. So we are done with step number 12. So now let's do step number 13. Now you want to apply gradient fill color to plot area to soften the image. Apply light gradient accent color 1 gradient fill color to plot area on the line chart. So this will be plot area. This is this area where we can see the graph. This is plot area and this whole is the chart area. So click on plot area, right click on it and click format plot area and click fill, and we are supposed to apply gradient fill from these options. There are different options for the fill, but we are supposed to apply the gradient fill. So I will select the gradient fill option and we are supposed to select accent 1 gradient fill. So from here we will select accent 1 gradient fill. Light gradient accent 1 gradient. Light gradient accent 1 gradient, this option. So we have applied the gradient fill color to the plot area of this line chart that is showing the heart rates in April. So now close the format plot area task pane. So now we are done with this step, that is step number 13. So now let's do step number 14. Step number 14 is saying data labels provide exact details. In this case, adding data label will provide exact heart rates. Add data labels in the above position on the line chart. So now we are supposed to add the data labels to this line chart. So for this we will just go to chart element and then we will go to the data labels, and from here we will select above option because it is saying add data labels at above position. So select this one and click chart element to close this one. So now you can see the data labels at above position. So that is all about step number 14. So in this video I have solved 50% of this assignment for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email and you can hire me for your complete courses. I will produce A grade for you in your courses, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email showing at the bottom of the screen and I will produce best grade for you. Thank you so much. I will get back to you with another useful solution. Thank you so much again.